Hi, Mike at ABC Fullerton Vacuum and Sewing here in Fullerton, California. So I went to a restaurant last night with my family and had a good dinner. And as we were walking out, my feet were sticking to the floor. It was like a tile floor, and it was and I'm thinking, wow, this is kind of nasty. These folks need GreSaWay, best kept secret in the industry. Well, that's what this product is. It is a secret, and it shouldn't, because it's a wonderful biodegradable grease emulsifier. Whether it's a restaurant, a meat packing plant, a car repair shop, anywhere there's grease and oils. Let me read this to you. This stuff's magical. GreSaWay instantly changes and emulsifies all types of grease, fats, and oils into a soft detergent that is biodegradable and will float freely down the drain, leaving no film. It's a concentrated, water-based emulsifier, not a solvent. It's non-caustic, non-flammable, odorless, non-abrasive. I mean, I don't know how much better that could get. It's so safe. If you had grease on your hands, you could wash your hands with it. I mean, great for the environment. Gets rid of the grease. It also leaves a little bit of a shine. What they didn't say, if you had greasy clothes, you could also add this to your laundry. I mean, there's a multitude of uses for this. Just a wonderful product. We sell this in our store, and we also have this on our website. Thanks for watching.